Finally, everything is packed up, fully charged, first time this week. As always, welcome to another show of Unplugged TV, sunny hot Australia. It is sunny hot. We've got a key battery low warning for a couple of weeks now. 30 degrees. Alright, we are going to Lowood to deliver a computer. So, Lowood, 23.1 kilometers away is our destination. So 46 kilometers all in total. I'm not sure if I can make this in full electric. Oh, wait, yeah, click on. Okay, car has fully charged about 2 hours ago, and the state of charge has dropped to 98.6%. So the dog gives us 37 kilometers only. And I cannot drive slowly because I said I'm freaking late. So don't switch off. This won't be another 6-hour long road trip video now. I would like to share some new information from Mitsubishi Motors with you. Okay, it's a spoiler alert. If you don't want to know, if you want to wait for the big video on the weekend again, please go ahead and click on close your browser, close your app, whatever you're on, and wait for the big announcement. And wait for the big announcement on the weekend. I'm super happy to announce that. Okay, but just wait for the video on the weekend. I don't wanna tell you too much now. I haven't prepared all the details yet. It is 20 past 12 already. I'm supposed to be there by 12:30. How can I? So the PHEV is going into the workshop not next week, but the week after, to get this dent removed in the front bonnet. Yeah, it can't stay like this. The car needs to be repaired. Even if it cost me $500–600, it needs to be repaired. And the week after, I hope it's been booked in by the dealer to get the triplet procedures carried out. So, and from there on, we will have a brand new battery with a correctly calibrated BMU, and we should start season 3 then. Now I will do a lot of more measuring afterwards, of course. It seems like the state of health is not changing anymore for quite a while, as it's supposed to be with a new battery. The cars where the procedures have been carried out so far are not showing any degradation so far. Once this is all carried out and established and being done, I need to talk to Daniel as well, and we need to talk about future development of the PHEV Watchdog, because obviously the 38 ampere hours equals 100% assumption is not correct. Yeah, and this needs to be built into the future versions of the PHEV Watchdog, of course. We are down to 47% battery gauge already, 17 kilometers left, and 62% state of charge. So I won't definitely make it back home in pure EV. Driving too fast. That was 100 kilometers all the time through from home, and I probably need to turn on the air conditioner on my way home a little bit, because the car will be parked in the sun. Not enough public charging here in Australia, far not enough. And I probably have to set up 2 computers there. I'm probably there for an hour or so. So it would be enough, a normal power point, normal 10 amp, 15 amp power point, you plug in your EVSE and you charge. That would be totally enough for this hour. And then I could easily make it back and forward in full electric and don't need to burn any dyno juice. But yeah, we are not there yet, unfortunately. I would like to, but I don't think there's any public charging situation here in Lowood at all. 57%, so that's not enough. Got only 40% on the battery gauge, 15 kilometers left. And yeah, see this brick wall over there? There could be power points. 2 or 3 power points there, you plug in and you're good to go. Alright, so 1 hour later. No, it was only 1 hour. Usually it takes longer before it makes changes. No, has stayed like this. Okay, yeah. It is so warm in here. So if there would be no traffic, I can potentially make it. I can really hypermile this car and get the most out of it and get it home in one full charge, not using petrol. But it's and there's lots of traffic, so it's not gonna happen. Please, please, please let me press this button, please. Thank you, thank you. .33 outside. People are saying, Andy, that's not hot. 33 is not hot. What are you complaining about? Okay. Road works. The traffic light just turned red. Excellent. That could take a while now. But this is exactly where the PHEV shines now, because it doesn't use any energy, apart from the air condition, of course. We just have to wait. And then there's this big hype about the Mitsubishi Engelberg Tourer, the new SUV concept they brought out with 70 kilometers plus of EV range, 700 kilometers all in total range. And I don't know, it's another concept car, so it's not a production car. It won't come to market like this. It's a study. So I'm not very excited about this at all. And you know, even if they bring this to market in 2 or 3 years, 70 kilometers EV range will be standard everywhere in all PHEVs, and even 700 kilometers all in total range will be achievable by a lot of electric cars on full electric mode. So why would you bother with an ICE engine in there and combustion engine in the car still, if you can achieve the same in full electric mode? The only good thing of this car is it has a bidirectional port, so it can take and deliver energy at the same time to your house, so you can power your home from it. But apart from that, I don't really see the hype. Blinker. And even with this bidirectional connection from the car to the house, so the energy flows in both directions, we already have this right now, correct, Ralph? And I'm really keen to find out if I could make this trip with a fully calibrated BMU. So with a fully 40 ampere hours capacity available through the software, can I make this trip? I guess we will find out very soon. I'm looking forward to it. And look at this, we have used exactly 1.9 liters per 100 kilometers, exactly as advertised. Alright guys, so far this little adventure today. I'm looking forward to making this video now for the weekend and let you guys know what is going on what's the news about Mitsubishi and the BMU battery software situation. Okay guys, we will talk soon, and until then, thanks for watching, thanks for your support. This is Andy from Unplugged TV Australia, signing off. You stay charged, and we will see us, as I said, very soon. Okay guys, bye bye. Wait, before you go, Just want to quickly show you how to replace the battery in the key fob for the PHEV. So from my experience, the key fob battery lasts about 2 years and then it needs replacement. The replacement does not need to be carried out by a dealership. There's no reprogramming necessary or anything else. You just replace the battery and you're good to go. I'll show you quickly how it works. And as someone mentioned in the forum, you should not get the cheap batteries, the no-name products. You should really pay a little bit more and get the Panasonic or any other brand, but that's exactly what we're not going to do today. These are the cheap ones, 20 of them for $1 from China. And because the sender circuit in the little key fob here is working 24/7, so it constantly emits a signal, so the car can actually spot the location for the key fob. So it makes sense to replace the batteries in both key fobs at the same time. See, and this little opening slot here is already pretty beaten up because I used the wrong tool. This screwdriver is far too small to actually open the case without damaging it. So you need to find the right screwdriver size and then pop it in on one side, just twist it and it pops open. And these are the cheap Chinese batteries. Same model, same type. Works just well. So before I pop this one in, I just want to measure the old battery here. See how much volt it has. 2.8 and the new one has 3.3. Pop this one out and put your new battery in there, and that's it. And before you close the lid, make sure this red rubber sealing here is still in place. Then line the two parts up again and press firmly around the edges until it all snaps in. And in the spare one was the original Panasonic, so maybe it lasts actually longer, I don't know. I'll let you know. I'll put something in the calendar so I know when I've changed them, and I'll let you know when they are dead again. Just testing this key fob here. Works just fine. So let's see if the car is still complaining. Of course it is. No, it's all good now. The vehicle will remind you for weeks that your key battery is low, and it reminds you every day you turn on the car. If you dismiss this message, your battery goes flat one day and you can't open the car anymore and the car won't start anymore. So in this case, if your battery is totally flat, you cannot drive the car anymore unless you put the car key in this slot down here. That's where the key goes in, under the middle console. Cup holders. That's the slot for the key. The actual slot contains a little RFID reader, and it contacts the electronic in here and then enables the car to start. So there's no recharge or something happening, and you don't need to put in the key fob if the battery is still fine. This is only for emergency if the key battery is low or not working at all anymore. Goes in the slot and then you can start the car. Okay guys, thanks for watching again. I'll let you go now.